Good morning. Today I'm going to speak on the topic Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog stands for National Institution for Transforming India. It replaced the Planning Commission, which has a legacy of 65 years. Planning Commission used to create 5-year plans, and up till 2015 it created 5-year plan, and from 1st January 2015 Niti Aayog took place of Planning Commission. The word Niti stands for generosity, guidance, and morality. But now it stands for National Institution for Transforming India. The work of Niti Aayog is to promote the economy and boost the economy of India. The Niti Aayog act as a think tank which basically creates the strategies, policies for India which will help to sustain its economy and even boost it. The objective of Niti Aayog surrounds it with its spirit of cooperative federalism, basically, which means that the Niti Aayog promotes states to have a good federal structure within themselves. Then it needs that the states should cooperate with each other to increase the economy of the country. Niti Aayog will bring up some new strategies and policies and work upon its base level, which means the first place where the new policies start affecting will be the village areas. And once the village area will be successful in or will be benefiting with that strategy or the planning, then it will be moved up toward the higher governing levels, and thus it will be helping all over India. Niti Aayog has also been a part of various initiatives such as food governing initiative in 2019, which has promoted the safety checks of food, etc. The other objectives of Niti Aayog is that using the strategy it builds, it basically needs to get a replacement for Planning Commission. So it will be making strategies based upon those 5-year plans and the national 13 objectives which upon the strategies are based on. In the end, I would like to say that Niti Aayog has been carrying the legacy of Planning Commission, and up until now I am sure that it has been doing a great job in living up to that legacy, and in future also the whole economy of India can be transformed into a positive direction with the help of all the strategies that Niti Aayog is planning. Thank you.